congratulate to you. I saw your channel
Thank you.
and you have completed 1K subscribers. So that time I feel too good. So that's why I congratulated there. I posted the comment on your channel. So yeah, you are a really too hardworking woman. So I
You
want
know
to
that
appreciate you.
now I have taken a decision that I should start solo videos also. That nowadays, competition is running. There are many people, they are making conversation videos. So people are not watching again and again repeating things.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so I thought
So
now.
that
So I should make solo videos also. Good afternoon. How are you doing? And how was your morning?
yeah, my morning was fantastic because nowadays there is a cold weather. So we are enjoying the weather just like this.
Yes,
And I
weather
want to
is
also
too cold.
yeah, and
Yes.
I want to also congratulate to you. I saw your channel
Thank you.
and you have completed 1K subscribers. So that time I feel too good. So that's why I congratulated there. I posted the comment on your channel. So yeah, you are a really too hardworking woman. So I
You
want
know
to
that
appreciate you.
now I have taken a decision that I should start solo videos also. That nowadays, competition is running. There are many people, they are making conversation videos. So people are not watching again and again repeating things.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so I thought
So
now.
that
So I should make solo videos also because I got a son now. Because you know that we have to complete in monetization 4,000 hours watch time and we have to complete 1K subscriber in that.
because it is not
Yes.
easy task. It is a very difficult task to manage. Sometimes it happens with us. We complete the 1K subscriber. It is not hard not to crack. It is according to me, not difficult task. We can easily get it, but the difficult task is watch time. If we have to complete the watch time, so it is very difficult task. Yeah. So
Yes,
everyone
yes, we have
trying
to.
to
It is too long.
yeah, it is a
If
too
suppose you
long
know
time
that we are
period.
doing that we are giving good content, so we can complete easily. Our content
Yes.
should be good. Their quality. It doesn't matter how much some people they are. I am also uploading one video daily. It is like a not. We have to not do like a formality. We have to give good
Yes.
content. Yes.
Yes. So suppose that you are daily basis continue upload your videos, but you are not giving the good quality, good content. So I think it is a waste of time. So we should focus also the good content
Our
and
content.
your
Yes, yes.
everything will be
Thumbnail
good. So
and content should be good. It is
yeah,
not like that. How much time your video is short or long? It is not like that.
yes.
Their content should
So
be good.
mostly
Okay.
I do not prefer to long video also. In a starting, I used to upload the 25 and the 30 minutes video, but
Yeah, you know,
recently,
conversation
uh,
video. I am not talking about conversation video. I have seen that conversation we can make a long. It is that I have seen
yes,
mostly people are making long conversation. Not in small time we cannot do more converse. We cannot do more conversation,
yes,
as you know
you are
that.
right.
Okay, so we have to give time for that. And if we are making solo videos, it is also good. I thought that if we are making solo videos, so in that we are going to prepare first, then we are going to speak. We have to
Yes,
prepare that first 2 or 3 times we repeat just that. We have to do that.
yeah, because
So we get more practice about that.
yes, I
So
used to
today
also
I
upload
made.
the yes,
Yes,
I
yes, I have
used to
seen. I
upload
think
a
you made.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes. I saw there are many.
So
I think 2 or 3 weeks you uploaded.
yeah, yeah. First time I
Yes.
upload the video with you, but you are that Jyoti ma'am. I don't know. You firstly you messaged me from the 2 days, so I was thinking I think is a new learner contacting to me. So because
Okay,
in our
okay.
So I didn't think about it. You are same Jyoti ma'am. So
Okay, so I was thinking that I think we made two conversation before. Yes,
yeah,
one or two. Yes,
yeah,
we
two
made. And it is
times.
good. That conversation is good for practicing. For content, I think we should good. Suppose one conversation video we can upload daily, and one should be like their solo video
Yes,
next day.
yeah.
That is also good. So we have to prepare first that what we have to give to our like a family and our viewers.
Yeah, because
So we have to
if
prepare.
we are like this type of content, so we can create easily the fluency. Whatever we have thought, we can share to the each of the person. So it is a very important. I used to when I started the upload the conversation video. Previously, I used to upload solo videos also. You can check on my
Yes, yes,
channel.
I saw. I also
Starting,
did it. Okay,
yeah.
so can we discuss some vocabulary in this video that by that people can get some new vocabulary that they are not aware about that?
Yeah, you are right because vocabulary is a very important part.
Yes, yeah. Sneakers. Do you know
Sneaker.
means of sneakers? Yes, yes.
No, I haven't. No.
Like some people like they laugh like very loudly.
Oh,
That person is sneakering like a hin hinana like this is hasna.
okay, okay. Lovely.
And
Means laugh.
we can say giggle also. Giggle.
Okay, okay, okay.
Giggle. Giggle means like a taste is hasna, we can say giggling.
Loudly
Like
laugh.
some people they
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes, they
If
and
this personality, so we can use this type of word. Yes,
yes, weed. Do you know WEED weed?
yes, yeah. No, I don't know.
So that means कूड़े की घास like a दुबला पतला इंसान like a कूड़ा साफ करना निराई करना we can say weed
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
WEED weed.
yeah,
So
yeah.
this that person is like a dubla patla we can say that person is weed.
Yeah.
If we are going to nirai for like a field, so we can say I am going to weed off my field.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
कूड़े की घास like that is like a weed. I am going to throw. I'm going to give that like a not I cannot give to that animals. I am going to throw that. It is wasted just.
Well,
Yes.
nowadays, now imbibing only the normal vocabulary, whatever we means in a daily conversation, we can use it. For example, pugnacious. You know about the pugnacious?
No, I don't know.
It's a just lack of personality, quarrel to each other. Mostly, they
Okay.
meet every person, so they it's a jhagralu type person. So we can say the pugnacious person. So we
Yes.
can
And we can say burst. WORSE. Burst means ज्यादा बुरा.
yeah. Okay.
Yes. Burst.
Have
We
heard.
can say use
I
words.
have heard.
WORSE.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yes. That is burst. Like we can use protest.
Protest. Protest, I think I have heard. Means
Protest
protest
means dislike
and
something.
related, I think.
You don't like to do that.
Yeah, means विरोध
Protest.
करना है.
Yes. Yes. This
Yeah, I
means
heard about
protest.
it. Yeah, yeah. Protest. Yeah. Means
Yes. You know
war.
that
I think we can use this type of words. Yeah, I have heard about it.
we have to not use that more vocabulary in a day that it is not good. We cannot understand. Yes. If we are using more vocabulary, if 4 or 5 we are using daily, it is a good.
Yeah, but in my perception, if you daily basis only one vocabulary you imbibe, so you can
One
easily
or
use
two.
one or two.
Yes,
Not
yes.
most of the person five vocabularies put in a one day and they use it. So
No,
it's
these
hot
are
possible.
we discussing only.
Yeah,
I am going to discuss only. But if we are going to take and we are going to use them, we have to take only one or two. It is enough.
it is enough for us because in daily basis one vocabulary you are using, so it is good because you are inculcate that vocabulary, but you are not using in your daily conversation. So what is the benefit to learn this language?
There is
uh,
no benefit.
yeah,
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, you are right.
Okay. So you know that if we are using them, then we can understand. If we are not using that, people will also not get. Old things we are using and repeating, they will think like a bore. They will not watch your videos as well.
Yes,
Same
you're right.
things we have to not give. If suppose we are going to give greet like good morning, good afternoon, after that, how are you? That we have to not repeat one. We have to bring different changes in that also. In conversation, we have to take a different topic, not same topic.
Yeah, because we various topics we selected our conversation, so it is good. In every field, we are able to speak with anything, so it is a good thing. But suppose that we put in a one topic and time and again we use this topic, so it will be fluent on that topic. But we are going to the next topic, so we are not aware to that topic. So we should learn lots of the different type of topic, and in this way we can just get the knowledge also, inculcate lots of the knowledge, different type of topics. Suppose that you don't know about any other topic, so you should collect the information of that topic and get the knowledge, and after that you can easily speak with the fluency and the with get confidence.
Okay, so I do you know that means of willing? WILLING, willing.
Bile,
Willing,
be
willing.
fine.
WILLING, willing.
W I no, I don't know.
That means is like a are you willing for conversation like a ready, prepare,
Okay,
willing.
okay. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So suppose I'm going to make conversation with you, and first I will send message you. Are you willing for conversation? Yeah, you will say yes. I'm willing.
Oh, willing.
Yes.
WILLING. Willing means ichha.
Yes.
Yeah. You
तैयार
have.
होना या ready होना. We
Yeah,
can
yeah,
say.
yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to make one conversation only because I don't have this much time. We can make tomorrow next
Oh,
conversation. Okay.
okay.
Yes. You know that if we have to give time first
Yes.
for thinking and for doing.
Yes,
Yes.
you are. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So do you have any other question that we can discuss in this?
No, but only tell me about one thing. How can we learn the vocabulary? Because lots of the learners they are using learning the vocabulary and sometimes they forget their vocabulary. So, what is the solution on your perception? Tell me.
There is one solution. If we are listening any videos or audios, we have to take two or one or two words from that if we are not aware about those, and we have to keep in our conversation. Not it will not come directly. First, we have to use. We have to frame some sentence at home. Then we can keep that directly. It will not come on our mouth. Yes,
Oh, I think
am
this
I
is a
right?
good. Yes, yes, you are right.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so definitely I will use also this type of
And we have to use daily that.
yeah, yeah, daily basis
Yes,
practice.
and yes, so suppose we are using only one day and after some days we are not using that, but we forgot. It happens with me as well.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, so this video I am going to upload because I don't have content. Next,
Okay.
tomorrow's video you can upload, okay?
Yes.
I'll give you time and then you have to be ready, okay?
Okay, okay, okay.
Bye bye. It was a nice conversation with you.